Thank you for choosing Thrush Son for your home improvement project. We understand that investing in your home is a big decision, and we're committed to making the financing process simple, convenient, and stress-free. That's why we partner with Foundation Finance Company to offer flexible financing options that help homeowners complete their projects with confidence. In this short video, we'll walk you through the financing process from start to finish. The first step is completing a pre-qualification. You can apply online, by phone, or with assistance from your Thrush Son representative. During the process, you'll provide basic information such as your name, address, and contact information. You may also have the option to scan your driver's license to quickly and accurately complete your application. The pre-qualification process uses a soft credit inquiry, which does not affect your credit score. This allows you to review available financing options without impacting your credit. Once your pre-qualification has been submitted, Foundation Finance will provide available financing options based on your qualifications. Your Thrush Son representative will review these options with you and help you select the financing plan that best fits your needs and budget. When you're ready to move forward, Foundation Finance will generate the financing documents and send them to you electronically. Simply review the documents and sign them online. If a co-applicant is required, both applicants must sign using the email addresses provided during the application process. The process is secure, fast, and convenient. Once your project has been completed, Thrush Son will generate a loan completion certificate, also known as an LCC. Foundation Finance will send the certificate to you by email. You'll simply verify that the work has been completed and electronically sign the document. If the certificate is not signed within 24 hours, Foundation Finance may send a reminder email. After the loan completion certificate has been signed, Thrush Son submits the required completion documentation to Foundation Finance. Foundation Finance may contact you to verify that your project has been completed. Once verification is complete and all required documentation has been received, funding is released according to the financing agreement. If you have signed your completion documents and have questions regarding verification, Foundation Finance customer service can be reached at 855-241-0024. No, the pre-qualification process uses a soft credit inquiry, which does not affect your credit score. A hard inquiry may occur only after a completed credit application and signed financing documents have been submitted for final approval. At Thrush Son, we've been helping homeowners improve and protect their homes since 1960. We're proud to offer financing solutions that make investing in your home easier than ever. If you have any questions throughout the financing process, we're here to help every step of the way. Thank you for choosing Thrush Son Roofing and Exterior Solutions.